Hello! Hello, good morning, mga ka-Irish. Good morning, Ireland, and good morning, Philippines. It's now, I think, 2 a.m. here in Ireland. I woke up a couple of hours ago, and I just thought on a whim, to cook myself some. I haven't had dinner lately, so cook myself some porridge or lugaw. Yeah. Sauteed some onions and beef cubes. Siya nga pala, pagka nagluluto kayo ng lugaw, igisa nyo na rin yung kanin. Alam niyo kung bakit? Sauteed the rice with the beef cubes and all of the ingredients. It keeps the rice from absorbing too much water, so your porridge won't turn into steamed rice or something like that. Hindi niya sisipsipin yung ilalagay yung tubig. At before anything else, I want to greet everybody. Advance Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Yun nga pala. We've just concluded our mini raffle just yesterday. At nakakuha tayo ng a surprise. Red wine and white wine. Gamitin natin sa Christmas dinner natin. We'll display this on our Christmas dinner, and maybe we'll have a couple or so visitors during Christmas dinner. Yeah. Medyo decorate na rin tayo sa ating humble haven. Yeah. Mukha tayong nilagyan natin ng Christmas decors yung ating fireplace. Okay. So, ready na tong lugaw natin. So, ginawa ko lang sauteed rice, everything, all in one go. Then, lagyan nyo lang na siya ng tubig. Yeah. Use your heart for judgment, you know. If you cook porridge, you'll never go wrong. Pour as much as water as you want. Depends on how much consistency you want on your porridge. Kung gusto niyo ng medyo thick or malapot or malabnaw, thick or thin sauce, you could do that. Alright! So, we'll just wait for this to boil. Yeah. Then, when it's about to boil, bring the heat half as much. Bring down the heat. Yeah. Half as much. You. Yeah, mga ka-Irish, sana maging mapayapa at masagana yung celebrate natin ng Pasko. Tawag dito, i-update ko kayo yung mga gagawin natin, mga lulutuin nating putay. You know, the dishes we're going to prepare this coming Christmas dinner. You know, Noche Buena in Spanish, it means midnight dinner, I think. Yeah, before Christmas Day, dinner before Christmas Day. Noche Buena. Midnight dinner, that's medianoche. That's a different occasion. That's for New Year's dinners, New Year's Eve dinner. Noche Buena is simply Christmas dinner, the usual stuff we do during Christmas dinner. And just like with any other Asian dishes, don't forget your Ajinomoto, MSG. Use your heart for judgment. Put as much as you want. Put some freshly ground pepper. You know. Freshly ground pepper smells better. Mas mabango to kaysa sa, the ground pepper you buy on the stores. Mas masarap yung, mas mabango yung amoy. Freshly ground pepper smells better. Yeah. So, when it's about to boil, bring down the heat, have as much. Then let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah. Then we'll wait. And then, mga ka-Irish, bibigyan ko kayo ng update. Pag naluto na to, yeah, malapit na. Then we'll have a midnight snack. So see you mga ka-Irish later. I'll keep you posted pagkaluto na to. Alright, mga ka-Irish. See you in a while. Alright, slow connection. Why is it always